Hello, welcome back. Today I would like to share you my top 10 more jailbreak tweaks that you should try on your iOS 14 up to 14.3. And for those of you that have been jailbroken your device with unc0ver, now let's go to the first one. It is going to be the tweak for clock, and instead of the number, now you can see the text right there. It is a tweak called Take Time, and where you can download for free from site here. Now on setting, you can see you can select like you can show the text on the left or on the right, and even the center. And then you can also select the font style, where you can go to lowercase or go to capitalize. And then we have the time font weight, where you can go to bold or you can go to light, so depend on what you like. The next one, it is called DarkEgg. It is very useful for your keyboard. So it is basically gonna add some of the important button into the bottom of your keyboard. Now if I enable my keyboard right there, and you can see at the bottom I have like copy, paste, or I can cut, and I can undo or I can forward. For example, when I type something, I have ability to select all, so I can select it and then I can cut, and you can see the text has been cut, and then I can paste by using the keyboard. The next one, we have SpotBetter. This is a tweak that gonna give you an improvement on Spotlight. So usually like on Spotlight, it is going to suggest some app right there, but you can select your favorite app to pop up on Spotlight. So I can go ahead and jump into setting, and then I can select the app that must be show up on Spotlight. Let's say I want to show like the camera or the calendar and side here. Now I can go ahead and go back to my home screen. Now when I enable Spotlight, you can see the app that I have just enabled right there. One more thing with the tweaks, it will also clear the text by itself. You don't need to remove it. Now when I click on cancel, now when I enable Spotlight, you can see the word has been clear. Now move on to Xeon. You may notice on my status bar where I have the custom Apple logo right there. Now these tweaks offer you a ton of logo. You can go ahead and jump into setting, and then you can select a theme, and you can see we have Batman, we have Iron Man, and we have more than that. And you can also enable a custom image if you like. So it is very awesome. The next one, we have CopyKey, where you can add your own text into your keyboard, and then you can add a phrase or a sentence, and then it is much more easier. Now if I go into the keyboard, I can click on this button at the bottom, and then it will paste the text immediately. The next one, here we have a tweak that you can remove the background from your notification or from your banner. Now on setting here, you can select on opacity level, and then you can like hide the app icon, or you can hide the app name. So now let me test again, and you can see now the background is it gives you much more background. And you can also do the same thing on widgets. Now if I go into my widget here, you can see there is no background anymore. Move on to Aquarius. With this one, you have ability to customize your music player. Now on my lock screen, you can see the music player with the colorful button, and then on the background, it also remove the background completely. And on layout, you can select progress bar or volume bar, and this one I select on progress bar. So this is the progress bar without a volume bar. The next one, we have a switcher. Now if I swipe down just like that, you can see the menu pop up, where I can close all of the application at once, or I can spring or even reboot my device. Move on to sorting swipe. So if I swipe up from the bottom, you can see I can sort the app on my home screen by alphabet, or I can sort by the color, or I can sort randomly. So you can sort your app like using alphabet. So if I sort like that, you can see it is start from letter A. The last one, we have messaging. Don't mind me if I pronounce these tweaks incorrectly, but what it does, it gonna like pop up the passcode rather than trying to scan your face. For example, if you have your mask on, and then it gonna pop up the passcode rather than like scanning all the time. So sometimes I have like a hard time scanning my face when I am using my mask. So thanks for watching, and then I will see you guys with more jailbreak tweaks.